Wow, what are those?
Good day everyone, we are the week 4 and now we will talk about the endocrine system and how hormones from many glands regulate metabolism. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in! We will now talk about glands. Thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, adrenal glands, and pancreas secrete hormones that influence metabolism. Hormones from the anterior pituitary control many most activities of these glands. So, what are glands? Glands are organs or tissues in the body that secrete substances like hormones or enzymes either into the bloodstream or into cavities within the body or its outer surfaces. These secretions play critical roles in regulating various bodily functions such as metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Glands are vital for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring the proper functioning of the body's vital systems. Dysfunction or abnormalities in glandular activity can lead to various health issues. Thyroid gland sets the metabolic pace. A thyroid gland is a two-lobe structure in the neck. Here, it's located here, and as you can see in the picture, it's there. The lobes secrete the thyroid hormones, thyroxine and triiodothyronine, that increase the rate of metabolism in the target cells. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland located in front of the neck, just below the Adam's apple. It plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, growth, and energy levels in the body by producing thyroid hormones, primarily thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Under the thyroid stimulation, the lungs exchange gases faster, the small intestines absorbs nutrients more readily, and fat levels in cells and in blood plasma decline. Here is an example of the diagram. The source are the different types of endocrine glands: thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal nodule, adrenal cortex, pancreas, and pineal gland. Under it are the hormones like thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Then under the hormones are the different types. There are 4 different types: amine, peptide, protein, and steroid. 1. From the illustration above, hormones from several endocrine glands simultaneously influence many metabolic processes. Note that amines are derived from amino acids. With the exception of thyroid hormones, which are lipid-soluble, amines are water-soluble. So let's now talk about the 2 hormones of thyroid gland, the thyroxine and the triiodothyronine. Thyroxine, also known as T4, is one of the primary hormones produced by the thyroid gland. Once in the bloodstream, thyroxine travels to the organs, like the liver and kidneys, where it is covered to its active form of triiodothyronine. Thyroxine plays a crucial role in heart and digestive function, metabolism, brain development, bone health, and muscle control. It affects almost all of the body system, which means proper thyroxine levels are vital for health. This is why many doctors will test T4 levels along with the more common T3 levels when testing for thyroid disorders. Next is triiodothyronine, often abbreviated as T3, is a vital thyroid hormone produced by the thyroid gland. Triiodothyronine is the active form of the thyroid hormone. Thyroxine. Approximately 20% of triiodothyronine is secreted in the bloodstream directly by the thyroid gland. The remaining 80% is produced from conversion of thyroxine by organs such as the liver and kidneys. Thyroid hormones play vital roles in regulating the body's metabolic rate, heart and digestive functions, muscle control, brain development and function, and last but not the least, the maintenance of bones. What really is the relationship between the hypothalamus and the pituitary gland? The hypothalamus communicates with the pituitary gland via a complex of network of blood vessels known as the hypothalamic pituitary portal system. This system allows hormones released by the hypothalamus to travel directly to the anterior pituitary gland, where they regulate hormone secretion. Overall, the hypothalamus and pituitary gland form a critical axis in the endocrine system, coordinating the release of hormones to maintain physiological balance and respond to internal and external stimuli. What really is the thyrotropin-releasing hormone or TRH? TRH is a hormone produced by the hypothalamus, a region of the brain located just above the pituitary gland. TRH plays a crucial role in regulating the release of thyroid-stimulating hormone or TSH from the anterior pituitary gland. The primary function of thyrotropin-releasing hormone or TRH is to stimulate the secretion of thyroid-stimulating hormone or TSH from the anterior pituitary gland. TRH travels through the hypothalamic pituitary portal system to reach the anterior pituitary gland, where it binds to specific receptors on the surface of thyrotrope cells. Thyroid stimulating typically refers to the stimulation of the thyroid gland or its function. This stimulation is often mediated by the thyroid stimulating hormone or TSH, also known as thyrotropin, which is produced by the anterior pituitary gland. Thyroid stimulation begins in the hypothalamus, where neurons release thyrotropin-releasing hormone in response to signals such as low levels of thyroid hormones, thyroxine, and triiodothyronine in the bloodstream. So now let's dig deeper on calcitonin. Calcitonin is a hormone primarily produced by the parafocellular cells, also known as C cells, of the thyroid gland. Though small amounts are also synthesized in other tissues, such as the lungs and intestines, calcitonin plays a role in regulating calcium and phosphate levels in the bloodstream, primarily by inhibiting the activity of osteoclasts, cells responsible for breaking calcium from bone into the bloodstream. When blood calcium levels rise, either due to dietary intake or other factors. Parathyroid glands control calcium level. The parathyroid glands are four small groups of cells embedded back of the thyroid gland. It's just back here. Parathyroid gland or parathyroid hormone or PTH increases calcium levels in blood and tissue fluid by releasing calcium from bones and by enhancing calcium absorption at the digestive tract and kidneys. PTH action therefore opposes that of calcitonin. Calcium is vital to muscle contraction, blood clotting, bone formation, and the activities of many enzymes.